making an upside down drip confetti birthday cake. This is my birthday cake as today is my birthday. So I thought why not try to make an upside down drip cake since I haven't done a drip cake in a while. And it wouldn't be my birthday cake without a bunch of sprinkles. As always, the recipe and everything you're gonna need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this. We're gonna start with adding a little bit of buttercream to our cake boards, and then we're gonna stack our cake. I used one batch of my vanilla cake with some sprinkles in it, and I did one batch of my buttercream. You can always double this if you want a higher cake or if you want to do multiple cakes and cupcakes. So I did a little bit of buttercream and sprinkles in between the cake, and then I put the other layer on top. I did level these off before stacking, and I did give them a simple syrup, and that is just equal parts sugar and water boiled and then cooled to room temperature. So then here I'm doing my crumb coat, just adding a thin layer of buttercream to catch all those crumbs so that my final product is nice and clean. You can chill it in the fridge for a couple minutes, and then once you touch the buttercream and it's not sticky, you can add your final layer on here. So I added some sprinkles to my final batch of buttercream and then just started frosting. And then with a bench scraper, I just ended up cleaning this up a little bit, making it look nice and smooth. And then we're gonna do our ganache for this. So I did some white chocolate, added some pink heavy cream. I just added a little bit of food color to the heavy cream, mixed it up, and then poured it over. You can also melt this in 15-second intervals in the microwave until it gets smooth. Pour it on top of your cake layer. Pour it on top of your cake and then just thinly spread it out and let it drip over. Add in a couple extra drips if you want to add some longer drips on the sides. You're going to want it to completely cool. You can also put it in the fridge for about half an hour just until it hardens, and then get your final plating. And we're going to flip this cake now. So just carefully place the serving dish on top and then flip the cake. Carefully remove the cake board. And then here we're going to add that final buttercream just to finish frosting the cake. So here I did a thin layer of buttercream. Doesn't matter if it looks too nice. I was going to add some dollops on there. So with a French tip in a piping bag, I ended up frosting these little dollops on there for decoration. You can add anything you like. You can do another drizzle. You can add some more sprinkles or anything you like. And there's the final cake. I ended up adding a couple more sprinkles on top. And here's a final inside shot of this cake. And that's how you make this confetti upside down drip birthday cake. It came out absolutely delicious. I cut a slice out and already ate it. As you can see that there is a piece missing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to suggest something, put it in the comments down below. If you enjoyed my recipes and you want to keep up to date with all the videos I post, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notified when a new video goes up. Until next time, stay sweet.